So we're going to take a look at how the group projects pages work. So um, here's just an example of what you're going to see. So you'll click on your menu and you'll find your group. This one says courses, but it will say courses and groups. You'll find your group, and then there will be a group page. So here for group project, here's group project 1, and here's what you'll see. Um, Pretty much like the course homepage, you've got on the left side here, you've got a menu or a list of tabs. You've got the home page, an announcement page. If anybody in the group wants to make an announcement, they can click on the Make an Announcement button and do that. Here in People, you will have the group members. So here I'm the only person in the group, but you'll see the 3, 4, 5 people that are in your group. There's a tab for discussions. So what I will do is I will start a discussion for you and it will appear there, but if you want to add a new one, you have the opportunity to do that, and it works just like the other discussion forums. And then the last two things, files. This is a great way to share files with your group. A lot of people will attach documents or attach files to a discussion post. What ends up happening, though, is a lot of times, depending on browsers people are using, you can't download those files. And another thing that becomes an issue is if you've got a lot of documents floating around, you don't know which one is the current document. So if you're working on project 1, final document, but changes are being made along the way, it's hard to remember which file is which. But what we can do is, in this space, if we click on Add Files and find some file that I want, and I can upload that, and then what will happen is other members of the group can download this, make changes or add things to it, save it on their computer, and then they can upload it again. What will end up happening is this will be replaced, and what will end up happening is the most current document will be up there. And then another thing that we have at our disposal is this conferences. And what that is a chance for you to get together online with your group. If you want to do sort of live messaging, what ends up happening, if you click on Make a Group Conference, Make a New Conference, we'll call it Group Conference. I will invite all the group members, create the conference, start it, and what you'll see eventually is this page. This tells you the computer can use your camera and your microphone. Joining audio means you will be able to hear
the only person in this conference
and use your microphone, and it will list the people that are in the message. And what you can do is you can share your camera. Hi, here I am. You can close your camera, you can move it around. Here you can listen, you can mute yourself if you want to do a live talking to one another. And what also is available, I can share my desktop. You can share your desktop. So if I've got a document open, or I've got say I've got a picture or a graph or something, and I want to share that with the group, I can do that. And also, what will happen is, in this space, there will be basically a whiteboard. If you can, if you want to type things, if you want to write things, if you have a doodle pad connected to your computer, you can write things, draw things, and then over here there's a chat up on the right. And what you can do is you can enter a chat and say, "Hi group, here I am," and it's like your instant messaging. So that's how the group pages work.